Hello everyone. Today I have a video tutorials of blogs as a manager. Okay, first of all, just come back the main page, footer for teacher of EPL 19. Yes, you can see grade 3. Yes, here you click manage the practice area. Okay, here you can see instruction, watch video tutorial and follow the instructions. Yeah, if you have any question, you click support forum. You go to the right hand side, you can see people or participants. Let's click on it to see anyone to attend this course. Continue, you can see activity forum. Here has two icons. You can see here hi activities blog. It means you can if you don't want to see the activity, you can click on this. And another icon is dog activity. If you click on this, you can move this one to another. So now we should find out where this. Okay, here activity. Yes, yeah. Okay, if you know you have anything, you can click on this. If you want to move it, you can click it. Okay, come back now. Go down block menu. Yes, online users have only me. Facebook comment, checklist, private file, format or anything. Now go up. You click on turn editing on. Just anything, move or nothing. Okay, so now it's okay now.